Hi guys, here's an extra activity to help you find the median and the quartiles of a set of data. What you'll need is, well, first let's gather our, not ingredients, let's gather our supplies. First you'll need some graph paper and then a pen or a pencil. If you promise not to mess up, you can have a pen. I'm using a highlighter to point things out to you. And finally you'll need a scissors. So once you have your materials, we'll get started. On your graph paper, go ahead and write out a list of numbers. These numbers can have some importance to you, like I wrote the ages of the people in my family, or you can write random numbers or whatever. Just make sure you're writing them in order from smallest to biggest. I did two because we're going to do this. I made two sets because I'm going to do this twice. So once you have your numbers out, and they're written in order, you're going to cut out just your numbers. The reason we're writing this in graph paper is so that our numbers are evenly spaced. So make sure that you're writing one number in each little box. So as you can see, my first set is 1, 2, 3, 27, 27, 27, 29, 32, 38, 58, and 58. Then on the bottom is a completely different set of numbers. If you're curious, the top set is the ages in my family. So my nieces and nephew are 1, 2, and 3 years old. And then my generation is in their 20s and 30s, and my parents are in their 50s. And then the other set is a list of the dates that our birthdays fall. So we have like the 8th of December and the 10th of May, all the way down to the 31st of October. That's me, that's my birthday. Okay, so I have two lists here. Now, once we have our list from our graph paper, again, each number is written in one box. Take your list and fold it in half. Fold our list in half, like this. Now this will help us find the middle of our set. The middle number is the median. So this number right here, right where the crease is, you know what? This is where the highlighter comes in. I'm going to highlight right where that fold was. So that number right in the middle is 27. So right where I folded my list in half, that number is 27. They're upside down. That number is 27. So that tells me that the median of this set is 27. Isn't that great? Cool. Now that'll help me find the median. Now this one was nice because I happened to have a middle number because I have an odd number of sets, or sorry, not of sets. I have an odd number of data values in this set. There are 11 numbers here. So I'm going to have a data value right in the middle of my set. Now, if I have my other one, this set only has 10 values in it. So when I fold it in half, probably should use bigger graph paper, huh? Oh well. So when I fold this in half, you'll notice that the crease lies between these two middle numbers right here. So because there's not a number exactly in the middle, then I have two numbers. So the median is going to be the average of 14 and 17, which is 15 and a half. So our median number, our median value is 15 and a half. Okay, so we folded this in half. Now we found the medians of each of our sets. Now median cuts it in two, splits our data into two. Now we're going to talk about quartiles. A quartile, like a fourth of something, like a quarter, is a fourth of a dollar. A quartile splits our data into 4. So just like I had folded my data, found it in half, I'm going to fold that data in half again, and that'll help me find what the quartiles are. So I folded it in half, and with my highlighter I will mark the creases for you so you can see. I can't really see it. It's so small. Okay, awesome. So now I have split my data into, almost dropped it. I split my data into 4 equal sections. So to find it, I folded my list into 4. And now my first quartile is at 3. My second quartile is at 27. And my third quartile is at 38. I said 32. At 38. Cool? Awesome. Now let's do our other set. We had folded it in half. And now we're going to fold it in half again. Because half times a half is a quarter. When you fold it in half twice, you get 4 equal parts. Thanks for waiting. So this crease is right at 21 and at 11. So here I split these data into 4 equal parts. So my first quartile is at 11. My second quartile is, again, the average of 14 and 17, which is 15 and a half. And my third quartile is 21. Fun? Great. Okay, cool. If you have any questions, please let me know. Enjoy. Have fun finding your quartiles.